Hi there, it's Kim Christmas here, and I wanted to show you what we did in May on our Patreon painting club. And this is our ornament piece that we did, and this is Spread the Joy, and this was for tiers 2, 3, and 4. And so this was the $5 and $10 and $40 tier. And these are the pieces that we did, and they're these cute little mason jar paintings with little canvas flowers and labels, and they're just so cute. They look like strawberry lemonade, different flavors to me, and so we did those, and there was the full instruction download for that and a full lesson video for that. So that was our first project, and then our next project, which was a little bigger, was for tiers 3 and 4, and this is our Hello jar. And this was quite a big piece that we did on a piece of fur, and you can do these pieces on any surface that you want to. These would be cute on stepping stones or a mat or just whatever you can think of. And so it's got cute little Swarovski crystals in the wheels, and so there was a full pattern download and a full lesson video for that. And we also did an extra pattern, which was our garden pops, and these are just such a cute, versatile little pattern. There's surface pieces available on the website for these, and some of these patterns will be released at a later date, but I mean, you just can't go wrong on the painting club because you get all of this stuff for, you know, anywhere from $5 to $10 really, and you don't have to have the $40 deal with the box. The box is just extra, and you get lots of extra stuff in the box. So we did, I hope that shows up, I don't know if I have to focus in on that. We did a little extra tin just to show the versatility of this pattern, and you can use the exact same design to do a whole bunch of little projects. And I had fun painting these on some little garden rocks, and these would just make super cute little gifts. I think these would be cute in a birthday cake, and that's just me though. So that was an extra pattern that we threw in there. And this one here is a pattern that our $40 tier patrons received, and so they received the full PDF pattern for this, and that's for this cute almost watercolor style little box, and it's a full pattern and full instructions, lots of pictures, and so they received that in their box. And they also got this cute little strawberry set. I'm sorry to keep focusing in on like this, but I noticed that some of them were a little blurry if I didn't. Anyways, this is for this cute little strawberries and ice cream cone set, and I did this on a little keychain, ball and chain hanger, and I hung mine on my knitting bag. I just thought that was super cute, but this would be cute for a little girl's necklace or for a maybe a gift tag on a present. That would be cute. So that was a kit that the $40 box had included in it, and so they get to do that, and that piece will be available on the website at a regular price. So the box is a really good deal. So this is our box for May, and this is the tier 4, and you get all of the things that I showed you before, and you get a 25% off coupon to the website and a cute little note card. And this is the ice cream kit, And so it's got a full pattern and all the little pieces to make your little strawberry ice cream cone set. And these are the wood pieces for the little garden pops. So they get the little prepared sticks and little circles for that, so they can complete that pattern, that project. I'm going to save this for last. And they got some yummy strawberry treats, and they got these. This was part of our one of our May challenges. They got a little tag with the twine and a little rubber stamp and some washi tape so that they could complete one of the little challenges that we did for stamping. And so the instructions and little ideas and things for that challenge are on the Patreon site. And we also, they got a little, these are cool. These are like a rubber eraser that leaves no residue and no marks. And so they all got a little sample of that. And they got the little kits for the jars, these little jars. And so they got that, and they've got like a cute little tag on there. And they got the little mini jar because we did a tiny little mini hello jar. So they got this tiny little jar piece because we did a little mini piece for to match our giant piece. And it's just cute to, you know, show the different things that you can do with one pattern. And so they got some of that. And this was for the this is for the jars, Spread the Joy. So they got the canvas and the little puffies and all the stuff that they need to create one of those. And then they got the scalloped surface for the strawberry shortcake box top. And yeah, so anything that we can fit in the box is basically, I'll try to stuff it full of cool little things that will help you with your May month projects. And all those little projects, they stay up except for the PDF patterns. So you're basically paying for the month to receive the download of the pattern. And the videos do stay up because I know that, you know, it takes time to get around to these things, and the instructions are just on the video itself are invaluable. So, you know, you want to have that kind of instruction at your fingertips and when you need it. So yeah, so they got all of those cool things. And they also got a little gift because every month I include a hand-painted gift. And what they got this month was a cute little strawberry tile necklace and or pendant. And so they can do what they want with that. Hang it on a chain of their choice, or hang it on a brooch pin or something like that. And these were just so much fun to paint, and I just enjoy putting these things together. So anyways, we've got a lot of really fun ideas, and we try to fill up on lots of good ideas for every tier, and we try to make it a really good deal. And so I hope you consider coming to paint with us and have some fun. And I've got some really cute stuff planned for June, and tossing around some Christmas and maybe some Halloween ideas pretty soon. So I hope you will join us and have some fun. Talk to you later.